Hi, good morning, everyone. I thought today I'd do a little update on opening documents in Google Classroom, and I'm going to focus on PDFs. So, you might be saying to yourself, what is a PDF? Very good question. So, let's just. So, remember your waffle, classroom. Sorry. I think I must have snored all night because my throat's really dry. I know you didn't want to know that, but hey, we're here now. And let's go because I'm pretty sure I remember seeing one in science. Let's have a look down here. Oh, I'm doing making my own mistake. Classwork. Sorry. Let's go down here to pretty sure. Yep, it's in here. Proposing your project. Okay. View material. Okay, so that's a Word document. See, it says Word, PowerPoint, PDF, portable document. I can't remember what that stands for, but yeah, PDF. Now, if I open this up, you will see. Here we are with our little preview, which is not actually a little preview. It's like the whole damn thing. Yeah. You will. You'll see I was trialing something yesterday. Ignore that. But you'll see that generally you can't do anything with it. Again, it's the preview. So if you go to the open up, now remember when I drop down this drop down box, there'll be a ton of other app suggestions there that you guys don't have. So just bear with me. You'll probably only get maybe this one, Google Docs. And you'll probably think, oh yeah, I can use that. Problem is what it's doing. So let's go back here. This is a PDF. Now, Google Classrooms or Google Chrome will try and change a PDF into a Word document. It will try, but it won't also always succeed because PDFs are locked documents. They are, whoever designed this document locked it down into a PDF form so no one else could change it, okay? So when you try and open it with something like Word, or in this case, Google Docs, which is Google's version of Word, it will try and it'll go close, but there will be things that look different and feel different. See how it's taking a little bit longer because it's thinking about it already. It's looking different. There's a image here which hasn't come through yet. It's still thinking because what it's actually doing, it's not just opening the document, it's actually trying to change it into a whole different format. So it's like taking an apple and instead of just giving you the apple, it's taking the apple and going, oh, that actually needs to be an orange, so I'm going to somehow try and make it turn into an orange, and there's your weird orangey thing. Okay, so that's what's happened here. So see that first page has just come up like an image. The second page has come up as editable. Okay. It's tried. Look, it's really tried. Oh, I see what it's done. Oh, that's cute. It's given you the image of the first page and then it's given you its revised, its edited version. Okay, first-hand investigation, blah, blah, blah. So if I get rid of this, if I move this across so you can actually see the full image. Okay, so yeah, see how it's part A, brainstorming your ideas, identify types of investigation. Okay, part A, brainstorming your ideas, give you. So it's what it's doing. Actually, that's really clever. That's not bad. Google Docs. That's not bad. Bravo. So it's giving you the image of the first page of the actual PDF, and then it's giving you its document version that you can then edit. So you could go in there and, say, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this. Okay. You could do that. It doesn't look the same in that it doesn't have the little boxes there and all of that kind of stuff. But, it's tried. It's definitely tried. The image for for second page is all the way off there. But this is the problem. It's taking an apple and it's smushing it and trying to turn it into an orange because it knows you actually need an orange, and then it's trying to give you this strange appley looking version of the orange. If that makes any sense. So we'll get rid of that because we don't want that. Okay, so let's go back to just your Google. At the end of the day, what you need is something that you can edit just straight over the top of. It's going to make your life so much easier. So these ones, apps. All right, so sorry, I'll show you how I got there. So you're looking at Google. Up here, there's a colorful waffle that says show apps. You'll see some of the apps that I already have linked to my Google. Yeah. This is the one you're after, Cami, all right? So Google Store, itchy nose. And this is all the extensions and apps that you can get to go with your Google Suite. May I suggest, up here, you search in Kami's, Kami, and it'll give you this. Now, obviously, mine's already got that little green bit over the top there, and there's nothing mine's already added, as you can see up here. See the K? Same deal. So what you do is you add it. Now, Kami is there are different tiers. There are pricing tiers, but it is free. So let me show you. No, Kami. See what it does? It allows you to draw directly onto things. Okay, so sign up for free. I'll show you the pricing. Now, this is the one I have. I have the teacher's plan, which means that I can do all kinds of bits and pieces, but you only need this, okay? So when you hit sign up there into using Kami is open up the PDF, click, see it's already automatically there for me because I have an account and I have the extension operational. So all I now have to do is click that and it'll open it up for me. Is if you go down here, connect more apps, click that, thinking about it, and in here, search Kami. We'll think about it for a minute and we'll go, oh, what have we got? Yep, okay. I don't worry about that one, but I have that one, okay? So again, it's already installed. So because I installed it going through that way using the app thing, alrighty? As long as you can see it up in your toolbox up here, you should be fine. As long as when you open up a PDF like this, it either appears there or it appears there, you're fine. So then what happens, and again, it's going to look slightly different for you because I have the full paid version, whereas you're going to have the free version. So you're not going to have all of the tools that I get to use. Doesn't matter. You don't need them all. I don't use all of them. So if you don't have it there, have a look in your drop down box and it'll be there. Annotate with Kami and it'll think and it'll go, all right, I'm going to give you your ta-da, there it is. So again, you're not going to have all of this. I'm not sure how much the free one does have. It probably has the dictionary, has the select so that you can just, click through as you need to. I don't know if it has the text to speech. It might.
Chapter 9, Individual Research Project. Proposing my big idea page. Name. Skills, planning. Organize.
But I actually find that really handy because there are times when I just want someone to read it to me, and I'm better if I follow along if someone else is reading. I don't know why. And sometimes it means I can close my eyes and just concentrate on the voice, which also I find really helpful. So if it does have the chat, if this free version has the text to speech, use it because it will literally, particularly if you've got a whole page of writing to read, it will, read it to you, which is awesome. The main things are, I hope you get that. The markup is just where you can highlight things, and that's literally all I use it for. Is I will highlight stuff. Yeah, not particularly exciting, but useful. Comment, where you can just put comments over here, which is like writing yourself notes. Or you can actually also voice type if it gives you this. So this section is really allow. So this section is really interesting. There you go. And that correlates to that. Beautiful. Okay. Text box. So this is where it's really going to come in handy for you, is because you can, put your name in. I don't know who H is. You can, say, I'm going to do this, and you can say, I'm going to do these things. Hello, small child. Hello, puppy. Hello, husband with coffee. Awesome. Oh, hello, puppy dog.
And they just go.
That's all right. It's charged. So these are the bits that you're going to find particularly useful. Okay. And yeah. So I'm hoping with the free version you get at least those top 5. Alrighty. And then all you do is you've got that there all filled out. You've done all your bits and pieces that you need to. You filled everything out. And then you can either save it, and it'll save it to your Google Drive, or to the Google Drive it came from, for that matter. You can download it to your own computer and then email it to your teacher. So your computer or your Google Drive, either one, with annotations. If you're going to download it, make sure you tick the with annotations, because that means everything you've typed in. Okay. Now, the only thing is it always, whenever you download it, it changes the name a little bit. It just puts Kami Export at the front. So just put your initials, like we did with the other one. Put your initial. So it's your initials and, whatever the thing is, okay? And then begin export, and I'll export it, not that it's any consequence, because I haven't actually left any of the typey stuff in. And then you can close that. Now, what you can do is you can take your version with all your filled in stuff. See, I did leave something in there. Aren't I clever? And you can email it to your teacher. You can... sounds like a dog got caught in a door. You can... Class Drive, you can go to your Class Drive, and this is your section of your Class Drive. Obviously, for me, I can see everything because I'm one of the teachers of this subject. But, you can make sure you have your own, what's it called, folder with your name on it in the class drive, and you can upload it here by just need to move that out of the way. Oh, it's not going to move out. Oh, where'd it go? You can just upload it in here by upload files. It would have gone to my downloads. I'm going to go, there it is, open. And if I move that out of the way, you can see there it's uploading, and there it is. Okay, so the teachers can access it when they need to. Yeah, I hope that helps. Kami is really good. It's really easy to use once you get the hang of it. And it'll save you a lot of frustration particularly when you open up a PDF. Dog, get off the table. Brady, when you open up a PDF and you realize you can't do anything with it. If you've got Kami there, you can do whatever it is you need to do. Okay. And okay, that's the little how-to for today. I will see you a bit later. And I hope for those that didn't get to pick up a show bag, a care show bag yesterday, I'm dropping them around today. So I will probably see some of you today.